don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 0, Kaizer Stars 0. Orlando Pirates is out by penalties. I'm joined by Sibo.
Hola Pichak.
I'm Nandi Steven. Hi, fresh.
Hey, ubuhlungu.
Sure.
Ubuhlungu. Kaizer Stars ngishilo igame voqala ukuthi singayideli.
Sure.
Understand anything is possible.
Sure.
But what I realize is that Kaizer Stars be pack a pass.
Sure.
For the whole 90 minutes and like whole 120 minutes.
Yes.
Yithi wesidlala ibhola kuphela ngifana ayikho into besingakhona ukuyenza kule double decker bebayifaka lapha.
Sure, team.
So i-coach izamile ukhipha labantu abakhiphile faka laba bafaka ukuthi bachange igame, nothing happened.
Sure.
Kunento abantu abaliza bayikhuluma yazi ejimini program into different yazi abantu abangadlala ngedisk aba-understand ukuthi i-coach amayiphika i-first level iphika from ejimini then ne-game day ba-check ama-player ukuthi ubani olimele ubani ongalimelanga and so forth. Mina ngeke ngicriticize i-coach program because I don't know what is happening lapha erandeni and angeke thina mina ngithreatnishe i-coach angithi i-coach must do what. The only thing I can tell you Kaizer Stars ize la ukuzodlala ibhola and they won the game.
Sure.
I congratulate them for playing game plan yabo. Game plan yabo isebenzile ukuthi bafike kuze kuma penalty baze bayiwin igame, which is fine. But into mele siyazi mnganami ukuthi ibhola is win, lose or draw. So iphumile Orlando Pirates, but we must understand ukuthi mina ivalo anginalo because already we got 2.5 trophies. Ngishilo nala singathi kunento sinayo for the season. Kusele manje the trophy yokugcina. Le trophy yokugcina le yiyo mele sigijimele sonke. What's going to happen there we don't know. Mina into engiyifunayo from ama fans ngicela abantu bayenza ama research wabo ba check ukuthi why le coach le idlala le idlala ngakhona. Before sesithukana ne coach manje sesikhomba ama player and all of those things because khona manje mfethu le coach le ina 2 games losing. Since nini agcina ukulose Pirates
since first 2 games
and yes and khona manje siluze ngani siluze ngama penalties. Angali yes angaba nama mistake but na is a human being. So na mele makayi ku drawing board naye sizomncenga ukuthi indoda lungisa emaphutha wakho la ulungisa khona lama player lawa angekho understand ukuthi why uma khupha I don't think angamshiya just so uma khupha ulimele mhlawumbe uDlamini what is happening with Dlamini we don't know but asinga thina iwengu singa create situation whereby yithi manje iwengu as attack ama play. Mina ngicela ama player Orlando Pirates mangayibona lento le ngicela bakhuphule itempo babuyele nabo to the drawing board ba understand ukuthi Saturday sidlala nabanye abantu abanomsindo. Siyabacela ukuthi whatever problems mhlawumbe abanazo bakhuthale nathi sinabo angeke sibalahle and then bayenze sure ukuthi Saturday mabafika babringe the A game. Mina ngeke ngicriticize i-coach ngicriticize ama player hard luck mfethu sidliwe manje mawubuyela endlini cima idatha ngoba umsindo uyawaza ngithi bazosibangela umsindo but it's going to be okay next week Saturday mfethu so badlala baya.
Thank you team.